Balancing Equations, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that might sound a bit scientific at first, but it's incredibly useful in understanding everyday English, especially in contexts that involve problem-solving, discussions, or even in business settings. We're talking about balancing equations. Don't worry if you're not a math fan. We're going to explore this concept in a way that's easy to understand and relevant to learning English. Let's get started. At its core, balancing equations refers to the process of making sure both sides of an equation are equal. Imagine a scale and balance, with equal weights on both sides. In mathematics, this concept ensures that whatever operations you perform on one side of an equation, you must do the same on the other side to keep it balanced. But how does this relate to English? In everyday language, balancing equations can metaphorically describe situations where fairness, equality, or equilibrium is needed. For example, in a discussion, balancing equations might mean ensuring all parties' opinions are equally considered. It's about maintaining harmony and equality in various scenarios. When we use the phrase balancing equations in daily conversations, it often involves situations requiring negotiation, compromise, or problem-solving. Here are some examples. In a team project, balancing equations could mean distributing work equally among team members. In a debate, it might refer to giving equal time to each side to present their arguments. In personal relationships, it could involve balancing time and effort to ensure a healthy, happy partnership. Understanding and using this phrase can add depth to your conversations and help you articulate complex ideas about fairness and equality more effectively. Let's look at some sentences to see how this phrase works in context. When we plan the family budget, we're essentially balancing equations, making sure our expenses don't exceed our income. The mediator helped both parties in the dispute by balancing equations, ensuring neither side felt overlooked. These examples show how the concept of balancing equations can be a powerful tool in discussions, planning, and resolving conflicts. And that wraps up our exploration of balancing equations. We've seen how this mathematical concept can extend into everyday English, providing a useful metaphor for fairness, equality, and equilibrium in various situations. Whether in discussions, negotiations, or personal relationships, understanding and using this phrase can enhance your communication skills and help you navigate complex interactions. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning of balancing equations and how you can apply it in your English conversations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.